Greeting everyone, my name is Dalia and today I'm going to show you how to create question in Google Form. So as you already knew about creating the question, there are many platforms to create the question including Therapy, quizzes, Google Form. So now let's get you started. This is the sample of Google Form. So I'm teaching level 3 and this is their title, Progress Test 2 3B. Okay, so how to start creating one? You go to Google search and then you write Google form. It will lead you to here. So this is the Google form item, and you can also do it another way by clicking on the Google apps, and it will show you plenty of Google apps possible. And then you scroll down a little bit. Oh, it will lead you to this one, Google form. You click on here and here, and it will lead you to this Google form. You click on this one to create a new one. So this is the title. Say for example, I want to create progress test 1 for level 12, right? After you finish writing this one, it will lead you and duplicate it to the same name, but you can also change it to the full words, okay? Progress test 1, and if you wish to add the date, that is possible as well. Okay, so let me tell you about how to create the question. If you click on here, you are given many choices, including short answer questions, long answer questions, multiple choice checkbox, and many other options right here. You can also set the date and the time as well. So now let's take the multiple choice as an example. Say, for example, I wish to, okay, choose this one and create it here. Just copy and paste. That would be pretty easy. Okay, pretty easy. And if you wish to duplicate the question, you click on here. And if you want to delete, just simply click on here. And if the question is um, required, that it's really important that the student must answer, you click on required. Now let's move on to this column. So if you want to add the question, just click on here. It will appear to be the new one for you. Okay, you can import the outside question as well. Okay, add title, description, picture, video, or another section that would be possible as well. So this is the responses. In case you have 10 students and they finish submitting it, you will see 10 responses as well. Now let's move on to the top right button. Okay, you see customizing the theme, so you can choose the color, which color you like, and the background color as well. Okay, and you are given 4 font styles. Okay, now let's pick 5 formal one. Okay, so if you finish creating the sentences and you want to look into the question as the reviewer, you can click on here as the preview, and then it will lead you to the question. Okay, now let's move on to the setting. If you click on here, and you can collect the student's email address as well. And if you want the student to limit their response, you can click on here. Okay, and if the student is allowed to edit their submission, you can click on here as well. So for the presentation button, you can click on shuffle question order, meaning that your question will be shuffled, right? Quizzes. If you want to add the point for each question and you want to show the student how many questions that they missed or to see their correct answers after submitting it, okay, and the point value, you click on the 3 of them and click on save. So by doing that, you can add the correct answer. Okay, and then add the point as well. Say for example, this is 2 point, and then you just save it. After they doing it, the form will automatically calculating their points. Now let's go to the final one, which is the send one. You can add the collaborator if you want, okay? And then this is a link that you wish to send the student. You can also shorten the link as well to make it easier. So Just copy it and send to them.